Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Araceli Chan DIY. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful arrangement behind me. Mine is the flowers, these are from my lovely husband. Today's the first day of school. I guess I have come to terms with the whole fall thing, but honestly it's going to be in the hundreds this week, so I'm still sweating my booty off, and not in a good way. One of the things that I'm going to show you guys how to make, I actually saw, I don't remember what website it was, but it was the same one that I got the idea for the see no evil, hear no evil skeleton. They were just like some little skeletons that were sitting down. That was actually meant to be a Halloween DIY, but I just decided to do a fall one instead. That's it. I'm not gonna make this too much longer, but if this is your first time here, I would love to welcome you and invite you to join the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So let's get on to it. I'm taking one of these plastic trays from Dollar Tree. They're from the wedding section. And then also one of these planters. These come in a set of 3. Hopefully they're still at Dollar Tree, but I got these earlier on before spring, and all I did was paint them. So I took 3 different spray paints. I took rose gold, gold, and silver metallic spray paint, and I literally just did like several coats. It wasn't like a complete layer of it. It was more like a sporadic spray. I might change my mind and paint the part so it's not glossy, but we'll see. So for this DIY, you're gonna need one of these Dollar Tree houses, some Dollar Tree LED lights, and then some leaves. These came in a package. These are also from Dollar Tree. And then some giant craft sticks. These are from Walmart. To save some time, I already painted them, and I have 2 different sizes and shapes here. And I also spray painted my craft sticks, and this color is a copper or rose gold.
You knew all the answers and knew what's to come. Trying not to be so self-absorbed. They don't care, 'cause people get so easily bored. You better stay in those arms forever, where happy thoughts can live again. Yeah, we got older but still good together.
Okay, for this one, I'm going to take a couple of these blocks in a total of 5, and then also one of these signs, like the picket fence signs. I'm going to use the 3 picks, and then also this decal that says grateful, thankful, blessed, and just a little bit of greenery, I think.
Try not to be so self-absorbed. If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess the next step is to redo this part right here in a fall theme, and then probably this part right here in a fall theme, because we're in fall. So let's do it. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.